How does blockchain make my tax return super duper easy? This is Max. Max is facing the most unsexiest problem you can imagine. He has to do his taxes. But that is a tedious and complicated task. He either has to invest a lot of his time and energy or has to hire an expensive expert. Furthermore, he has to collect all his receipts and other documents. Is that really necessary? No. Imagine a future where all your devices are connected via blockchain. Blockchain technology can be used to record transactions in a decentral, transparent and secure manner. But how does it help Max? When Max refuels his car on his daily commute to work, the receipt gets saved automatically in a blockchain. In the same way, all his other receipts, bills and payrolls get saved, sorted and managed. All Max has to do is to confirm his tax return once a year with one click. Now Max has time to focus on more enjoyable things in life. Yeah,